Now, one of the wonderful things you can do in Annotate Pro is you can make your own libraries. As you can see here, I have already made a library, like Aries library, in Annotate Pro. And so you can create your own custom libraries in Annotate Pro. And it is pretty easy. All you do, and I'll even show you how to make a new group and a new comment within the new library, is you just go to the Annotate Pro editor and you just do everything from up right in here. So you go here and everything is going to be right in here in edit, and you can create your new library. And libraries have 3 potential statuses: an available library, an active library, and an edited library. And it is going to bring you to your account. And this is where everything lives, right in here. And so in here, you are just going to create a new library. So you go over here, new library. And let's say I want to create a library for a specific class. I, for example, teach a lot of technical communication classes. So I want to create an entire technical communication library, and TechCom specific. And I'm just going to put Green River. And for my status, you can have this be if you've authored this library, and you'll have access to it. We are an institutional client. So you can have this and you can make this so that you can share it if you want to. I always like to be able, we can share our libraries with each other. So if you want to be able to share this with somebody, a colleague, or the library, or, with the writing center or whatever, you can do that. And if you want to if you want to share, if you share this library, do you want others to be able to customize it for their own use? I do. I want people to be able to add to it. So that is what this is. Translate on or off. You can choose this and then save. And that's how you essentially create a new library. Now, groups within the library is, and so the library is the overarching library. You can create a new group within the library. So you can create a new comment group for the library, and you do that by, I'm going to close that because I went really fast. To create a new group within the library. Groups are like buckets of things. And so this new group, let's say I'm just going to do a new group, and my active library is technical communication, and my parent group, my group name, I'm just going to focus specifically on, in technical communication, we focus a lot on design. So my focus for that is going to be design, and my group description is going to be focus on Gestalt design, and save. You can be as specific or not specific. You can always make this bigger if you want to have a big description here. And you can make another group if you want to, where you focus on something like grammar and usage, if you wanted to. Or you could go like by project, if you want to focus on specific comments for project 1, or if you want to go like focus on a class, English 335, because I have specific classes in technical communication. And so I just want English 335 to be one group. I can just focus on that. And so that's what I'll do there. And then I can focus on comment. And that's how you can start creating a library. And that's pretty cool. Now, in the next tutorial, what I'm going to show you, is how you can add comments from your feed, like comments that you've already made when you're grading. But this is how you can add comments. If I wanted to add a comment to English 335 and I just wanted to, you can even add like subgroups. Let's say I wanted to add something under 335. So I'm in technical communication, but I want to add a group under 335. So let's say we have project 1 in 335. So comments specific to project 1 only. Then these are going to be comments specific to project 1. And let's say the first comment in that text would be, I'm going to focus on revise. That's going to be my label. And my first comment will be something like, please review the prompt and revise accordingly. And I want it to be active. You can make things a favorite if you want it to show up in Canvas. And I'll go back into Canvas and show you what that looks like. And you can, let's say that I want this to be a favorite and I want it to be, this color. And you can add a new comment if you want to make a bunch of new comments, right, by just doing this, and you can kind of keep going down. So that's how you do that. And then update comments. And then you can go over to, let's go to a class that I have some grading in, which are lots of classes. Don't worry, I'm going to buffer out all the names. And when you have this annotate right here, when you bring up an assignment, you can pop open this annotate button and you can see that my comment came right here. My new comment popped up right here. And all of my libraries are right here, but my new comment is right over here, which is pretty cool. So, and my new library, my technical communication library, came in right here, which is also pretty awesome. So that is how you make a new library in Annotate Pro. There are some other ways you can make libraries, but that is how you make it just by using the little button right up here. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know at elearning@greenriver.edu.